Today I'm going to be checking out these vehicle ramps that were sent to me so I can do this review. I'm going to go ahead and get them out of the box, get them set up. Out of the box is pretty straightforward. You've just got these two metal ramps. They can stack on top of each other, and they have this little dip right here so your tire goes into it and holds it. And then you've got these little holes here that help you get grip so it's easy for the car to drive right up on them. Let's do it. So yeah, these stands are really nice, heavy duty. They're great stands. They're going to let me be able to do all the routine maintenance I need to do on this vehicle. Of course, always have a secondary safety solution put in. Put jack stands, jacks, whatever you need to do. In case one situation fails, you have a backup because you're under the vehicle. Always know to do that. Also set your emergency brake, put your car in park. All the extra things you need to do to be safely under your vehicle. But yeah, the ramps look great. They're strong. I love the powder coat on them. They've got a lot of grip with those holes and everything there in the front. The car easily drove up on them. And then it's got the little bucket area right here where your tire rests in. Plus you can feel it as you're driving up and you know where to stop. It's got the little bump stop at the end to let you know that that's as far as you need to go. Then when you're done using them, you can just stack them on top of each other just like this to save space and put them up in the garage. I really like these Garvee ramps, and I think you will too. I hope all of this information was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.